What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nene. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today's video, you guys, is going to be a good one. I'm going to be swatching and trying on a few lipsticks for women of color because simply it's something that we need to know. I had to learn it. Now if you need to learn it, you can learn it. Pass the word. Do please make sure you give this video a like, comment, thumbs up, share it with your friends. Click on the link below if you're watching this from Facebook so that you can come over to my YouTube channel and watch it there as well. As a woman of color, it is very easy to take a beautiful lipstick that you know is beautiful in the tube, but honey, when you put it on, it ain't looking good, girl. What we need to stop in 2018 is putting on lipstick that's make us look like clowns. We gotta know how to finesse it. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to finesse lipsticks that might not naturally be maybe for your skin tone. You just can't go putting on lipsticks like this. Yo, it's always a chick with lipstick on like this that be like, and I take your man, ho. I will take your man, give him back. You cannot be wearing lipstick that look like this either. And I know y'all don't think this is cute. So in order to achieve a great lip combo for your beautiful brown skin or deep chocolate skin, please stay tuned and watch this video. I am going to be using a mixture of products. I'm not going to be going over where you can get everything. I probably may tell you what it is and everything, but what you can do is all these colors you can get. Every single brand serves all these colors. So whatever your pockets can afford, honey, is what you can use. Whatever you have in your cabinet is what you can use. If it comes from Sally's or if it comes from Young Beauties, it's a Young Beauty in every girl. Ain't it a Young Beauty in every hood? Exactly. There you are with your silent. There is a Young Beauty in every damn city. So, or Lee. It's a Lee or a Young or a Hing Young or Ace Beauty. There's one of them damn beauty supplies. Even if you getting your lip liner and your lipsticks from there, get it, girl. As long as you stand in the color scheme of what you're trying to do. So I'm babbling. Let's just get on with the video. Let me show you guys how to rock a nude. With nudes, if you are a brown girl, please understand you definitely have to line your lips. You don't have to line it with a black lip liner. You can do chocolate brown, dark brown, I'm sorry, or maybe even a brick red. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite nudes. This is Nikki's Nude. This is MAC lipstick, kind of sexy. This is another MAC lipstick. And the third nude that I'm going to show you guys is a Whirl. Now this happens to be one of my favorite nudes ever to wear. So this is the difference in the nudes, you guys. I'm going to use Chestnut Brown by MAC. It is a brown lip liner. Now I've lined my lips. I am going to take that color and I'm going to go ahead and bring it in a little bit more. So I'm just going to thicken up that liner on the top and on the bottom and also in the corners. And I'm just gonna press that in. Now I'm gonna go in with the Nikki's Nude. It is a really, really bright nude. So you will be like, girl, you can't wear that. Girl, yes you can. So you're gonna take it, you're gonna pop it in the middle. And you're gonna roll it because you wanna evenly distribute the color. So you're gonna roll it, you're gonna apply more, building, and voila. If I want to up it a little bit, I can take, this is my favorite lip gloss, it's by Sephora, it's called Perfect Nude, and I'm gonna top this over, and this is my signature nude look. these 3 nudes right here, you can get your whole entire life with a brown liner. And this is the liners you can pair it up with. This is a chestnut liner. It is brown. This liner actually matches Whirl. That was so awkward just now. And then this Kylie liner, Love Bite. That's how you pair your nudes with your lip liners. The next color we're gonna play around with is brown. Film Noir is one of my favorite browns. I'm gonna swatch it right here on my hand for you guys. It is very, very chocolatey. True Brown K by Kylie, one of my other favorites. These 2 browns are everything. If you have browns that are similar to this in your collection, this is a fall color. Winter, you could easily pair this without a lip liner, but if you did want to use a lip liner to add a little bit of contrast, you can. You should definitely use a black brown because you don't want the black to be too harsh, especially if you're not good with ombreing your lips. So when I want to do a brown lip and I want a little bit of definition in that brown lip, I use a black brown pencil first. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Look deep into the camera, zoom in with what I'm about to tell you. This shit, this lip liner with nothing else, is no longer in style. It's no longer in style, baby. Stop doing it. Don't do it. It's no longer in style. Moving on. Okay, so now that I have that lip liner on, I'm actually going to go in with the, I'm gonna go in with the Film Noir. I'm gonna go in with the cream lipstick. And I'm gonna press that in. And now I have a brown lip with a little bit of definition. I have 2 reds that I go for. I have my bright red that I go for, which is something that will be as red as this. And then I have my dark vampy burgundy type of red look that I would go for. So with the first swatch, I'm gonna swatch this bright red one. This one in particular is Patrick Wu by it's a MAC lipstick, but it's like Riri Woo, and it's really, really red. This is something that I really love. And then this one is one of my absolute faves. This is Sin, and it is a deep vampy burgundy color. I love this for the fall. This is like my go-to fall matte color and end of summer. I just really, really love that color. So with my red, I just did a video with a red lip. Here is a clip right here of that red lip, but I just did that video, so that's pretty much how I red lip. So I'm not gonna go ahead and try it on, but you guys do see the swatches, and any red lipstick will do of your preference, but these are just the 2 that I'm using, that I have in my collection right now. And these are some beautiful red tones for brown skin. So yes, 2 purple tones that I highly recommend. Now the heroine is a bit lighter, and the Cyber is a bit darker. Both of these look really good on brown and chocolate skin tones. So what we can do with that is line it with a deep purple or a dark brown. Yes, I said dark brown, sis. A deep purple or a dark brown pencil. But since I've already used dark brown several times, I'm gonna go with a purple pencil. This is Night Mauve. This is really good. Now, I've already tried on some darker lips, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go with this lighter purple. So now you have your purple lip. This lipstick was actually going to be a lipstick that I wanted to choose for a makeup look that necessarily might not be for your skin tone. It just depends on how you rock it. So this is one of those lips that it's bright, it's out there, but depending on what you're wearing and your overall presentation would actually make sense for it to kind of flow with what you got on. So I have the orange in this shirt, I have on brown tones, and my hair is a you know, aqua color, so it kind of ties into what I have going on. And that is the reason why I can rock this lips. This is the reason why you could rock this lips if you chose to do a color that is kind of like this. It is a little bit out there, it is pumpkin spice, but it is still bright, it is still summer, and rustic orange is really, really good for the brown sisters. When I do pink, I tend to make it into a gloss so that it's not so distracting. So I am going to take a liner with pink. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this matching liner. This is Candy Yum Yum. There's the liner. It's very bright. I'm gonna go on with the lips. It's pink and purple. I do suggest, like, if you're a model or anything like that and you plan on photographing, if you're gonna wear pink and purple lips, don't do pink and purple lips and you want to smile all damn day, like, because your teeth gonna look yellow, sis, like real buttery butter love. Now I'm going to tell you a very affordable gloss that is like $2 that I love all the colors, and this is the LA Colors High Shine Gloss. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. So when I have pink lips like this, I definitely throw a gloss on top. This one is very creamy, it's not too thick, so it's good for a lipstick like this that's not so thick. So yeah, that is how you do a pink lip. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, this lipstick swatch. Once again, excuse the raspiness in my voice, or if I feel like sound like I'm drunk or something, because I'm really not. It's just that I'm just, you know, a little bit extra right now. So anyway, you guys, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, thumbs up. Even if I said it before, I'm just saying it again. Thank you for tuning in, and come back next time for more. All right, bye.